Hello, precious people, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard, and I'm the president and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics. This channel is monetized for charity, which means that by watching my videos, watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving a little like or a little comment, you are supporting two amazing charities in my area. The first is Rescues on the Runway, which is a fantastic dog rescue, and also the Domestic Violence Center of Santa Clarita, which is a cause near and dear to my heart. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time here, and ring the notification bell so that you will know anytime I upload a new video. You may see that Mr. Yogi is kind of pacing around, but so far he's minding his own, so we're just gonna go on. I feel like I won the lottery. I actually was able to order some of the Shane Dawson merch, and I have been looking all day, like checking, and I had signed up on the Shane Dawson merch website for email notifications when it went live, and I was like, I don't know what time it goes live. I have no idea. And so I just happened to see that T-Spill tweeted out that she had gotten a backpack, and I was like, oh, so I dropped what I was doing literally and jumped on the website, and I was able to get a few things, and I really want to show them to you because I honestly think they are really good. I'm excited. So let me start by saying that I already have the iconic slides from Jeffree Star, and I love these. I wear these all the time. Matter of fact, I was just thinking, oh, you know what? I'm going to pick up the pink pair when I saw the pig ones. I wear these all the time. They are very, very good quality. The strap is kind of a padded, I don't know if it's leather, but it's leather-ish, I guess. And it's got a nice, like, soft material on the inside. It stretches nicely with your feet, doesn't cut into your feet when you walk in them for a long time. And this is a hard sole. So honestly, when I first looked at them, I was like, 40 bucks, that's a lot, you know, for slides, because usually you can get them for $15.99, $19.99. And I was like, but it's Jeffree. I'm just going to give it a go. And I have to say, I really do love these. And I'm going to show you, let me show you, I have these that are Gucci's that were given to me by someone that I love a whole bunch. Let me just say, I would never, I wouldn't on these. But this here is rubber, and if I walk in them for a really long time, they rub right here, and they do bother my feet a little bit. I would say that these are not quite as hard as the iconic ones, but they're definitely not as comfortable to walk in, not as comfortable to wear. I mean, of course, it's Gucci, so I don't think you're supposed to be comfortable, but I'm just throwing that out there that these, I think, cost about 6 or 7 times what the others cost, and I actually like wearing the Jeffree Star ones better. So I just wanted to point that out. First of all, let me show you the box. Hello, how cute is this box? I have to say the box is really sturdy too. I already have the shoes on, so this is so that you can see them. They have the Shane Dawson kind of Illuminati logo here, the SD with the triangles. Tell me that isn't the cutest thing that you have ever seen. I love this. I also got this hat. Couldn't decide whether to get the black one or the white one. I have a lot of black hats. So my friend was hanging out with me. She was like, no, get the white one. So I did the white one. I'm going to take it off because I want to show you something really cool on the inside, but I have to give you a little disclaimer. I just did an hour of cardio and took a shower. So my hair is still kind of wet and gross. So please don't look at my hair. Promise you won't look. But look at this. See how nice the quality is inside? I mean, this is thick material. The only thing, and out of everything I got, this is the only thing that I don't like, and it's just a personal preference. See the cute little pig on the back? This is one of those sliders. I tend to prefer Velcro, but that's just me, probably because I have a small head. But hey, I think it looks cute, right? And then let me show you the pièce de la résistance. Okay, you guys, this is probably the nicest quality backpack I can remember. See, I mean, I've seen Louis Vuittons that aren't as nice as this. This is thick. It's lined. It's really good quality. It's even got a little pocket inside here with Shane's little Illuminati logo. Even the snout has a little, it's so cute. Even the snout has a little zipper. And I would say that this isn't super large, but it is very deep. It's built kind of like a hat box. And so I think I think what it lacks in size, it makes up for in depth. I'm going to have to put that to the test at some point. One of the things that I don't like about some of the backpacks that I have is that if you don't zip it up all the way, because like, you know, my phone's always ringing and they'll fly open or fall open and everything will fall out. This has these nice things here and they're thick. I mean, I don't think you can hurt this. I would have to say this thing is fairly indestructible. The ears are thick as can be. The straps, I accidentally hit myself in the face with one of these straps, and let me tell you, it did hurt. So I think that means they're pretty good quality. I have to say, this handle feels like it's indestructible. This is good quality. And when I first saw that it was 80 bucks, I was like, 80 bucks? It's so cute. If it wasn't so cute, because I thought about it, girl, I was like, I don't know. But you can spend your hard-earned coin on this thing and feel good about it. It is very, very nice quality. So I'm going to zip it up and try it on just to show you how cute it is. Okay, are we ready? What, Yogi? Yogi's like, what is that, Gran? Is it cute? Is it the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my gosh, okay. Totally dying. I love it. I think I'm going to empty out the CEO purse and maybe carry this for a little while. I am super excited. And I have to say, I ordered this at 1 o'clock, I think, 1:30 on Tuesday. By Wednesday at the same time, I got a shipping confirmation. And by Thursday, at the same time, it was here. So 48-hour delivery. Yes, I don't live very far from the warehouse, but still with the volume of orders that I know that they got, I think that's pretty darn good. So I'm actually super duper excited about this. And yeah, I love it. Love. And I just should have known that the quality would be good. Are you going to say hi? Say hi, everybody. Okay, Yogi. Do you like it, Yogi? Because that's all that matters is you like it. He says, I'll like it if there's treats in there. That's the only way he's going to dig it. At any rate, I just wanted to do this review. I actually did put up a video earlier today on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 3. And I will link that here for you. This is just a little bonus video for you just because I got this and I thought it was so nice. And I know a lot of people are really interested in this merch and wanted to know if it's good or not. And you guys know I'm honest. I'll tell you. I'll tell you what I like and what I don't like. And I honestly, I love it. I really do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you won't forget to like the video. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you'll know anytime that I upload a video. And first, the dogs just say thank you. I talked to the people at the rescue yesterday and the day before, and they're just super excited. I'm like, I think I have my first YouTube payment coming. I'm like, don't laugh at the amount, but I promise it'll get bigger. So, so now that I made a promise, we gotta grow this channel and make it bigger. So please don't forget to share the video. And again, thank you so much for watching. Yogi, you want to say goodnight? Say goodnight, everybody. Good night, everyone.